let us understand how these model of finding out option price for the call option or for the put option uh, does it work. And we only need to remember and understand very clearly that there are five factors that impact option pricing, and we just need to input the values of these five factors into the model, and the model will automatically tell you as to what will be the option price in case of a given situation. So let us take one example. What would be value of a 26th May Tech Mahindra call option? So we are trying to find out the pricing for a call option. The strike price, as you all know, is given 300 rupees. So there are five factors that we have to use. One of them is the strike price. So the strike price is 300, and the spot price is 200. So that is the second information that we need for the purpose of finding out the pricing of the option. And there are 30 days remaining, and that is your time to expiration, and that is the third information that we need. Risk free rate of interest is 8%, and that is the fourth information that we need. And annual volatility is 48%. So we have all these five factors given to us in this case. What we need to do, we need to input these values into the model of calculating the price for call option, because we are talking about the call option, and the system will automatically generate the pricing, option pricing, right? So let's quickly understand. So what we have, the strike price or the exercise price is how much? It is 300. Very good. Spot price, how much it is? It is 320. Very good. And time to expiry? Time to expiry is 30 days. And what is the risk-free interest rate? Risk-free interest rate, it is 8%. And how much is the volatility? Volatility is 48%. Now let us put this number and into the premium option premium calculator and see the response. Are you able to see my screen or your screen? Excel sheet?
Yes, sir.
Excel sheet.
No, Excel sheet. No, no, sir.
All right. Okay. Okay. So no worries. Let me share my uh, screen with you. So when I share my screen with you, you would be able to see the Excel sheet also. Okay. Are you able to see it now?
Yes.
Yes,
sir. It's
Good.
very small.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Very small. So let me increase the size. Is it okay now, sir?
ठीक है.
Is it okay now? All right.
Yes, sir. But I will.
वेरी गुड. अब देखो ये वी आर ट्राइंग टू यू हैव बोथ द ऑप्शंस. सो यू कैन पुट द फॉर द पुट ऑप्शन एंड यू कैन पुट फॉर द कॉल ऑप्शन. नाउ अब इसमें टाइप ऑफ ऑप्शन डाल दिया. स्टॉक प्राइस कितना है? 320. आई एम जस्ट पुटिंग इट वंस अगेन. एंड एक्सरसाइज प्राइस कितना है? 300. एंड टाइम टू मेच्योरिटी कितना है? 30 days. सो विच इज 30 डिवाइड बाई 365.08. रिस्क एनुअल रिस्क फ्री रेट कितना है? 8%. वॉलेटिलिटी कितना है? 30%. 48%. सो ऑटोमेटिकली इट गिव्स यू द ऑप्शन प्राइस ऑफ 30.14. अब अगर लेट्स से फॉर एग्जांपल if the stock price is 300, then you can see the option price will change automatically. If the exercise price is 400, then you can see that it changes automatically, right? And okay, so remember, in case of call option, strike price जितना कम होगा प्रीमियम उतना ज़्यादा होगा. स्ट्राइक प्राइस जितना ज़्यादा होगा प्रीमियम उतना कम होगा. सो लेट्स से फॉर एग्जांपल इन दिस केस if the strike price exercise price is 100, and you can see the premium is shooting up, and just understand the reason why is that so. देखो जितना एक्सरसाइज प्राइस कम होगी उतना ज़्यादा प्रॉफिट बनने के चांसेस हैं फॉर दी कॉल ऑप्शन बायर। जितनी जितनी जो स्ट्राइक प्राइस है जितनी कम होगी उतनी ज़्यादा पॉसिबिलिटी है फॉर दी ऑप्शन बायर टू मेक प्रॉफिट, या जितना ज़्यादा प्रॉफिट ऑप्शन बायर बना सकता है इसका मतलब उतना ज़्यादा लॉस ऑप्शन राइटर सफ़र करेगा। इसका मतलब ही इज़ टेकिंग अ बिगर रिस्क, and that is why when the strike price goes down, the premium will shoot up. And let's say if it is just 300, okay, and then you can see the premium has option price has gone down substantially, and that is what you can understand. Okay, so this is one example. Let us now look at the example of how to find price of a put option, again using a calculator which is readily available online.